Hindi ko po ito sasarilinin dahil marami po kaming parte ng pelikulang 5 Breakups in a Romance. So nagpapasalamat po ako first and foremost po to GMA Pictures, to Cornerstone Studios, and Myriad Entertainment. And sa lahat po ng sumuporta, sa lahat po ng black screening, supporters ko po, maraming salamat para sa inyo to. And siyempre, I would like to also to share this award sa aming pong director at writer na si Direk Irene Villamor, and sa aking pong very supportive at nakaparehang sa pelikula po na si Julia Montes. Para sa ito Direk, and maraming salamat po. I didn't expect na in a span of little more than a decade of my career na magkakaroon po ako ng recognition when it comes to the box office. So this is a blessing, and sana po marami rin po akong ma-inspire pang ibang mga aktor na kagaya ko na gumawa ng mga kalidad na pelikula, at ang maging intention po lagi at ang kanilang motivation is to bring back the glory days of Philippine cinema para po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin, and syempre para sa industriya na pinagkakautangan po nating lahat ng malaking utang na loob. Muli po, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. What an honor to be here tonight. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So this wouldn't be possible without a very good girl. So I'd like to thank my Star Cinema family and my ABS-CBN family for entrusting this project to me despite all the challenges. To my bosses and to everyone, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And I'd like to share this award to Peter San Vargas, my dearest P, our director. From the moment I changed your name in my contacts after you messaged me, I knew we would get along. I admire your hunger, your passion, and your vision for the Philippine film industry. I know I told you this so many times, paulit-ulit na ako. You are an amazingly talented human being. I will always be rooting for you, and maraming salamat sa pag-guide mo sa akin sa proyektong to. Also, I'd like to share this award to Miss D, Miss Dolly De Leon, of course. My fellow Aries, working with you has been a highlight in my career. Thank you so much for being with me in this journey. Philo wouldn't be the same without Molly, and Kat wouldn't be the same without Miss D. You will always have my respect. I miss you so much. Maraming salamat sa experience, sa learnings, but most of all, thank you for the friendship. Sorry, mamilistahan ako, so isa-isahin ko lang sila. And to everyone, of course, who made this film possible. The cast, our staff, our crew, our DOPs, Noel Tehanki, our talented and hard-working writers headed by Ate Carmi Raimundo, our producers, Leo Marie, thank you so much for the never-ever-ending guidance. I'm sharing this award on behalf of all of you. This is a win for all of us. And to the fans! Thank you so much for allowing me to explore a different genre and still having my back no matter what happens. I never felt your hesitation. You've always trusted my career decisions. And hindi nyo alam kung gaano yun ka-importante sa akin. So salamat sa pag-iintindi. And of course, to Guillermo Awards, thank you so much for this incredible honor. Maraming salamat po. When the movie was released, we were still recovering from the pandemic. It was such a challenging time for the industry. We didn't know kung yung ginawa namin would be enough to encourage the people to go back to the cinemas again. We didn't know if the audience would be ready for something new, something out of the box, like A Very Good Girl. But you all surprised us and you all delivered. Higit pa po dun yung binigay nyo, at maraming salamat. Sabi nga ni Philo, you guys are murderers because you killed it. Maraming salamat na unti-unti napabalik natin yung mga tao sa sinihan, at ang laking bagay ng A Very Good Girl doon. AVGG is a project that will always be close to my heart because of what it represents. A brave material about powerful women It's about women who are not afraid to go after what they want and to fight for what is right. Hanggang sa matapos po namin i-film na ito, yung mga lessons na iniwan sa akin ito, I will be bringing them to my heart and to my life. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng lessons. And lastly, I'd like to acknowledge my fellow actors and the people behind the camera who share the same passion and goal. We are celebrating so many wins tonight. And this moment is proof that together we can keep the Philippine cinema alive. Maraming salamat.